Hey guys, today I wanted to show you something that I just shared with our paying clients, but I think it's so important that I definitely want to share at least some of it to you guys here on the YouTube channel, and that has to do with the developments that we've seen really this week and then ultimately on Thursday, April the 4th in the price of gold and silver, and thus the ETFs and even some gold mining stocks. So let me show you some charts so you can kind of get your head around this. It's just one of those things that makes you want to sit up and take notice. But if you don't have a process by which to find these kinds of opportunities, you're going to constantly miss those. So we're going to show you the process, how we got there, and what it is. So the first thing that I will tell you is that all this week we showed our paying clients in the market rover that we saw developments, rather bullish developments in material stocks, which you can see right now are short-term bullish, but just about a week ago, they were actually short-term bearish and they flipped to short-term neutral, then short-term bullish just a couple days ago. We have a lot of names inside of these material stocks that are also bullish, so all I have to do is click on this, and then it gives me all the stocks within that space, and you can rank them by the ones that have just recently turned bullish, and so on and so forth. But really important is what we saw on the back of this on Thursday, April the 4th, is what happened in gold and silver. And I'll show you the futures contracts, but you can also look at the ETFs. It shows you pretty much the same picture. And this here we're looking at silver futures. And you can see that on that Thursday, the 4th of April, we had an attempted breakdown below what used to be support. And we continue to fail to break below that. We're still getting some files for buying, but I think this is rather interesting. We can then look at things like the SLV, which is the ETF of gold, so as opposed to the futures. And you can see again here, we have some real important bullish reversal take place just as they try to break the market lower below that support area. And same thing in the GLD, which of course is the ETF that represents gold. And you can see, if I peel this back, this chart, you can see just where this is all taking place. So this latest bullish reversal or failing of a breakdown, we saw take place at this really crucial area that used to be resistance and may now again become support. If you dig a little bit deeper in here and you look at what I showed you earlier here in terms of the material stocks, you can then pull up some of those names because again, these are all related. Look at some of the miners, the gold miners, GDX as an ETF, which also gave us a beautiful seller exhaustion day here just the other day. And you can dig even deeper and look at things like FCX, which is Freeport-McMoRan, of course, a big copper and gold mining company. And you can see how this one here is really starting to coil up and potentially set up for quite a run that could have some real good legs. That red line you're looking at here is a 200-day moving average. So again, it all started and all starts with having this repeatable process that we walk people through every single day in the market rover. And I just wanted to share this to you, again, to show you the opportunity, but also to just make you aware that there is a process you can use that ultimately makes sure that you don't miss these opportunities. And more importantly, honestly, is once you do find an opportunity, that you have the proper context around it so you can actually manage it, get out if you need to, both on a stop loss or in a profit target side. But if you don't have perspective and a repeatable process, it's very difficult to do that. So that's it, folks. Have a great rest of the day. We'll talk to you soon.